Hello everybody. So this guide will show you how to easily clear all junk files and cache from your Windows. This will improve your computer's performance and loading speed. To do this, press Windows plus R key together. Now in here, type prefetch. You'll find the commands in the description. Copy this and paste it here. Press OK. Now from here, tap on continue, and after tapping on continue, simply select all the files. Select all the files and press on Shift plus D. Shift plus delete together. Just select all files and press Ctrl plus D or Shift plus delete to delete all the permanently. Now after this, again press Windows plus R key together. Now this time copy the second command and paste it there. Press on OK. Press on continue again. Now this time again press Ctrl plus A and select all the folders and simply press Ctrl plus D to delete it. Do this for all current items. Press on continue and simply delete it. Now this time again, for the third time, press Windows plus R key together and open run. Copy the third command from description and paste it. Press OK. Now again press Ctrl plus A and delete all the files. Some files may not get deleted, just skip it because those are the files used by programs and applications. So simply ignore it. Now after doing it, for the final step, just simply press Windows plus R and copy this command. Click on OK, select C drive, click on OK, and after that select all the files, select everything, scroll down and select everything and press OK. Press delete files and that's it. It will start cleaning your C drive and it will remove all the temporary files. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.